Andrea Davis with One Smart Cookie K9 Services in Lacombe, Alberta. That was Loki. This is Lily. Today we are doing clean up our toys. So the precursors are being able to take it, good girl, being able to drop it, yes. So take it and drop it, and then maybe go get it and then bring it as well. You want to try? Get it. For now, thank you. We're just going to do it to hand. So those are the precursors. How we're going to involve the box is kind of the same thing. So she just does it. But what we would probably get from your dog is, can you get it? Get that toy, Lily. Is we're going to hold out our hand over the box, ooh, and it just happens to drop in the box. We're going to move our hand, it goes in the box, we reward in the box. Yes! When we've got our dog actually going and getting different toys, switching them out with different toys, not always fluffy things. She's got not a lot of teeth, and she's an older dog, so we use a lot of softer toys. And she's just gonna go and get it and put it in. She loves this game. To progress it, we would move the box, move the toy and herself, and they go towards the box instead of you. So we gradually move ourselves, we get distance. We can scatter a whole bunch of different toys and have them clean it up. Another way to progress this is, get it, clean up. Another way to progress it is to have a box that opens and closes, and we can teach them to open the box, put their stuff in, close the box. But that is another video. Yeah. Good girl. One more. Adding the verbal cue, only when they're doing it and getting it in the box. Have a good day.